How to get verified on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'm about to simply guide you on how you can actually really get verified on TikTok. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, we simply want to make sure we have updated the TikTok application to the latest version. Head over to your app store, in the search box type in TikTok and then check whether the app has an update available, because if it does have an update available, go ahead and simply update the application first. And after updating TikTok, I'm going to simply open right over here. First of all, what we want to do is, in order to get verified on TikTok, you would have to switch from a personal account to a business account. So in order to switch to a business account, what I'm going to show you is go to your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, and on the top right hand side, you will simply tap on this tree menu icon or this line icon, which looks like the hamburger icon. So simply tap on it. As you tap on that icon, at the bottom you need to go ahead and select settings and privacy. So tap on settings and privacy right over here. As you tap on settings and privacy, you're going to be taken to this page. Now over here at the top, you'll find an option which says manage account. Go ahead and tap on manage account button, and right over here under account control section, you'll find an option which says switch to business account. So go ahead and tap on business account. And as you tap on business account, first of all, you want to go ahead and complete this step, and then simply follow the niches and all the instructions, whatever this app is going to tell you to actually switch to a business account. Select your categories and go ahead and do that. I'm going to simply skip it, and now I'm going to reload my TikTok application. The other thing you want to understand is that if you want to get verified on TikTok, you would actually have to have a very good profile on TikTok, which means that you should have a very nice niche, and you should actually keep producing, establishing any brand on social media. Means you should be posting popular and authentic content. You need to get featured in the media. There is no any type of follower threshold or following threshold on TikTok. To actually get verified, you just need to have a very outstanding TikTok profile in order to request for a verification, because there isn't a set follower threshold to be verified. Instead, what you'll need is you'll need to have a more metric growth and activity on your account, like things like daily TikTok follower growth or longer video watch times are what actually matters. Now after you've made sure you have all of those requirements, what you can do is, in order to verify to TikTok, we are going to actually send a report. And in order to do that, from the top right hand side, again, we want to simply tap on the menu icon, and then at the bottom we're going to go to settings and privacy. And as we tap on settings and privacy, here you want to scroll down to the bottom until you find the option which says report a problem. So tap on report a problem button right over here, and as you tap on report a problem button, here you can see we have some of the options to actually report, but we are not going to do neither of those. Instead, what we are trying to do is, from the top right hand corner of the screen, you'll see this pencil or this book icon, which is like the editing icon. So you can simply tap on it, and as we tap on that icon here, it is asking us to actually send a feedback. Now this is where we actually need to enter our feedback. You want to simply type in, hi there TikTok, I have a very outstanding media profile, I have a great face value, and I have a good following audience. Would you please look into the verification process? Any details required by you? I'm ready to give any type of document or the information in order to get verified on TikTok. You simply want to type in any of those. If you want, you could also simply include a screenshot of all of your analytics and data of your follower counts and of your content. That is going to make the verification a bit more simpler. Then you need to simply wait until TikTok gets back to you and actually verifies your account. As we told earlier, there is no any set follower threshold to be verified on TikTok. What you'll need to have is a more metric growth and activity on your account. So make sure you have all of those requirements in order to get verified on TikTok, and then simply apply for the verification process. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.